Look at the question number 67. If root 3 secant A divided by cosecant A is equal to 1, then find the value of A. So here root 3 secant A. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು reciprocal of cos ಅಲ್ವಾ? So ಇದನ್ನ cos A ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೇನೆ. Divided by, so cosecant A, reciprocal of sin is cosecant A. So this is equal to 1. So this becomes root 3 by cos A whole divided by 1 by sin A. This is equal to 1. So ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ root 3 by cos A into, so ಇದನ್ನ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ sin A by 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is equal to 1. So root 3 into sin A by cos A is equal to 1. So sin A by cos A is equal to 1 by root 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ರೂಟ್ 3 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೊ sin A by cos A is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 by root 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ sin A by cos A ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. So therefore here tan A is equal to 1 by root 3 tan 30 degree. So therefore A is equal to 30 degree. So the value of A is 30 degree.